Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get this beautiful magenta eye look with Bambi. We did this look for the Zimmerman Fashion Week show during New York Fashion Week. One of our hero products was the Glossier lip gloss, which we absolutely love with this look. To start the look, I prep the skin using It Cosmetics Bye Bye Redness Cream, which is a great moisturizer for anyone that suffers from rosacea or redness in the center of the face, and if you want to knock that out. To prime, I use Laura Mercier's Radiance Primer. This is one of my favorite primers because it has a beautiful golden undertone and it really shines through the makeup. So I'm just applying that to the center of the face with a flat MAC Cosmetics makeup brush. I really want to create luminous skin for this look because we're doing a matte eye. So I've chosen to use Kogan Do Aqua Foundation in the shade 143. I'm applying that all over Bambi's face with an It Cosmetics foundation brush. And then I'm going to conceal using Glossier's Stretch Concealer, and this is in the shade Medium. I love this concealer because it has great coverage. It is really fresh and dewy. It does need a little bit of powder, but it's really easy to apply and melt into the skin. And I've just twisted that foundation brush around to the concealer side just to apply that product. I love this brush. You can tell in my videos that I use it all the time, and I actually use it on myself every day also. So if you're looking for a new foundation brush, I definitely recommend this one by It Cosmetics. Okay, so now we're going to prep the eyes. We're using MAC Cosmetics Groundwork Paint Pot, which is a beautiful cream-based eyeshadow, and I'm applying that with a flat brush, and I'm applying it to the entire lid and swiping it under the lower lash line. So I really just want to get a base, so we're ready to apply the Anastasia Beverly Hills Renaissance palette. To start with, I am just applying a really matte deep magenta shade to the entire crease using a 217 brush. I'm just buffing that in, and I'm also bringing it under the lower lash line. This is going to be the main color work for the eye, so you'll definitely be able to see this when Bambi's eyes are opened and closed. And then I'm just making sure that I'm blending those edges using a Charlotte Tilbury eye blender brush. And because I want this to be super blended, I'm coming back in with a 224 makeup brush by MAC just to make sure all those edges are diffused. Now I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs Beauty Velvet Noir mascara. And I'm using my fan brush by MAC Cosmetics just to apply that to the upper and lower lash line. This was definitely one of my favorite mascaras that I used during Fashion Week, and I must say it's probably in my top 3 mascaras right now. So again, if you're looking for a mascara to purchase, I highly recommend this one by Marc Jacobs. It's done a really good job if you want bold lashes. So now we're going to give a little bit of shape to the face. We're going to use a Tom Ford Shane Illuminate palette, which you know is a favorite of mine. It's a cream product. It's super easy to use. You've just got to pop it in the right spots for your face shape. So if you want nice and chiseled nose, you're just going to apply it to the sides of the nose, and then if you want chiseled cheekbones, you're just going to nestle that in under the cheekbone area, and then just make sure you blend it out so you don't look like you've got a big swipe across the side of your face. I'm also going to chisel Bambi's jawline and blend that out as well. These Duo Fiber makeup brushes are a great brush to use if you're applying cream products. So now we're just going to set the center of the face with Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. It's a beautiful powder that I love to use in my kit. And I'm using the 138 Tapered Face Brush by MAC to pop that powder on. Next I'm going to work on Bambi's amazing brows, and I'm setting them in place with MAC Cosmetics Brow Set in Clear. And I have been loving this on Bambi because it does make her brows stay up all day long. So this look wouldn't be complete without a touch of pink on the cheeks, and I've chosen to use Tom Ford's Frantic Pink cheek color. It's such a pretty blush and it looks amazing on Bambi. So to add some highlights to this look, I'm using Glossier's Haloscope in the shade Quartz, and I am now going to set the look in place a little bit more with Glossier's Powder in the shade Medium. This is so there's no shine for the photos today. I always come back in and do a little bit more blending after I've had a look at everything. Now I'm going to do a little bit of this highlighter, which is the Tom Ford Soleil Sheer Cheek Duo in Lavender Lure, which is like a beautiful slight blush shade, which is super sheer but it adds a little bit of sparkle. To finish the look, I'm going to use Glossier's lip gloss. Bambi's natural lip colour is so pretty, so I just really wanted to enhance that with the gloss. I tend to leave bronzing till last, and I just see how much is needed for the look. So my choice of bronzer today is Tom Ford's bronzing powder in Terra, and I'm just swiping that exactly where I put the Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate. It's going to give a little bit of dimension and just warm up the face. So there you have it, the magenta eye look, just with some finishing touches. I hope you have enjoyed watching this look be created. If you have any questions about techniques or products, or if you want to suggest more videos to come, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much to Bambi for always being an amazing model, and we'll see you next time.